There are a lot of misconceptions when it comes to calling a body of water either a lake or a pond. Um, I'd say that the majority of people just think that if the body of water is big, then it's a lake. And if it is small, then it's a pond. But that is not always true because it's not actually based on size. It's more so based on whether or not the photic zone spans the entire depth of the body of water. The photic zone is the layer of water that sunlight can penetrate through. So, say you are fishing on an inland body of water, okay? And it's not a wetland, it's not a marshland, it's either a lake or a pond. If the sunlight can reach the bottom of that body of water at any depth, anywhere in that body of water, then it is a pond. It doesn't matter if it's a mile wide. If the photic zone spans the entire depth of it, then it's a pond. If the sunlight can't reach the bottom at any given part, then it has an aphotic zone, which is just the layer of water that sunlight can't reach. It's called an aphotic zone, the opposite of photic zone. It could only be 20 yards across, but if it has an aphotic zone, then it is a lake. Other than depth, water clarity also influences how deep sunlight can reach. If a pond gets a bunch of carp into it, okay, and they muck up the water, they make it really dirty because they're rooting around on the bottom, stirring up the mud and the dirt, and the water gets really dirty, and it makes it so that the sunlight can't reach the bottom of it anymore. Well, then it would technically be a lake now, since it has an aphotic zone. And that's all there really is to it. If you learned something new today, then consider liking the video. It will help my channel grow, and I would appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to, and thank you for watching. See ya.